Watch the concubine, girl. Watch her.
Every time you see you cause problem. You can't talk to her. Hi, hello, how are you?
Me fine. How are you doing today, madam?
I'm very much okay. So we just talk to her.
Listen, I don't like her. I don't know why I don't like her.
Just till now you're not make you
Alright, we're not
walk
trouble
around
her
and say you
today.
don't
I'm
like
not
her.
trouble her today.
I'm
not trouble her.
me like you.
Liza, keep by your mouth.
Mama, come on, can I realize every
Hey,
time
stop
me
push
dey
up
on the
your finger
road,
then on my face, cause me brokey.
every time me dey on the road, you shake me up and make people disrespect me. Me not like it. But you come on, you know.
Actually, you're too enough for that.
La.
Left her no.
She deal with it.
Me know I say
She
she
don't
don't
know
know.
who she a deal
Me
with.
know me can't live without you. So if you got a person, me no have nobody for defend
Like
me.
she
So
don't know
make
who
she
my
stay.
mother. Oh,
Like
that
me I say.
deal with her
Yeah,
out here.
Charmaine, the clumper. That's your mother.
Bright.
Yes.
Let's get a little sleep. I'm tired.
30 y'all bright. Cleaning jacket. Be a cup of you do.
Yeah, though, how you wake me up so man? Sure.
Be a cup.
I like see people have nothing. A little sleep me I catch.
So, mommy,
alright?
yeah, man. I mean, alright. That's why a little insect ruin me there.
What happened? What do you? What
Yeah,
happened?
look a half handicap jacket, girl, man. Sit me
Which jacket
smoke.
will you call? What happened?
No, Papa, daughter, me a call jacket.
Your sister you call jacket?
No. The other crossmate. Go on for a color jacket.
Kayla, you're a real Gemini, you know? You're a real Gemini. So what you and she have so?
Me don't have nothing. We a walk, you got a job word. So if you angle her, come and make them and make she feel like she a no street credit over my sister. So I this the bitch. Bright.
Listen.
Favor concubine.
I know the other day you said she favor Papa the most, eh?
We never
So
said
you
that.
gonna call her jacket and what tie and whatnot when you turn right, you remember? Oh, your memory short too. Me remember how you tell me.
Me never said that. Me
Look how
said
well
it.
she look like him. She have him mouth, she have him eyes, she have him nose and everything. Eh? All her head shaped like a fame. And what she really
Anyways,
do,
mommy, why
like
Papa
you a
there?
call her jacket.
Me say the girl a drop word off of my sister, me defend that in a year.
Drop word like how?
Because my sister Marga.
Yeah, I'm going I'm going to tell her angler for me. I never have a strength.
Since when you miss dictionary? You have to ask your sister if they manage something for you.
You say the fighting and things now. She managed that. You say the mouth and the smartness. I may manage the
So you couldn't manage your sister?
No, me didn't want a girl do something such. My sister angler. Not that me didn't want. Me no want my fingerprint.
Well,
Alright,
anyways.
alright.
Where Papa is there? We think a time for you moving mean.
I know, see your sister drop on her head, you know. Moving what? Moving what?
Oh, so you go and make Candy take him man for you and have no sense, mommy.
If Candy want take him off a Candy business,
Mommy.
if Candy want farm fool and take him back off your business, if Mary, Jane and Tarlene want take him off of them business, all me no say. Him have to mind him daughter still.
No,
And after that call, me done tell him say everything lock up on him, you know.
I know.
So me the busy moving with what?
Suppose I lie them and tell Papa you have to take back the man, yawa.
Take back
the
what?
man.
Take back what when him done admit same picnic.
You see how
Hey,
I raise on all
idiot.
people, you know. Hello, be I am and take back the man and
Raise
take
your
me Candy
voice
with.
again. I double dare yourself. Raise it again, make me hear. Louder than
You
mine.
make it look like you can beat me, but members say you can beat me. I will joke out your eye.
Do it then now. Do it then now. You know
So
what?
we got threat
You
and
have
take
come
back
to
him,
cut
man.
my spirit, you know, with your foolishness.
But feel so she take out her heartbreak on us.
Come here, ten times you go take back him, man. I make
You know
Papa
what?
movie. When Papa
On the
movie,
boat drop on the
you get more
head.
things.
And on April 1st this. So here what, me take with myself because I don't want to shut nobody a box today. Oh.
Anybody ever shut up about Papa? Because she not sense, you know.
Me know.
She make Candy and take a whole of the money and like a maga skinny pinited girl. I have everything. She
Like
don't
you don't feel
like
some way
me.
I go there I want
Eh,
things.
for the ever my man.
She's just selfish. She just think of himself. But
Eh.
heartbroken. Timber your picnic, timber your future lady.
For the ever femi man girl.
But
Me
you
go
know-
back for that.
Oh, Allah, you can't do it.
No, me no want for ugly, but for too ugly for me.
Eh, when you are taking things though, you never
Me
find
no,
them ugly.
no, things them pretty. Him himself ugly. Me no want it.
You know, see the little girl where your father have. How much years now you and that girl is sister?
I don't know.
And we don't know after how much a year now.
So, mommy, if you never find out, so daddy have next
He
you
wouldn't
take
tell
him
we.
out.
He wouldn't tell we.
Me did tell us that daddy a give bundle.
Yes, but me couldn't believe saying really, even if one man a give bun then. Oh God, man. You know use protection? You know busy with the woman where you're there with?
At
You
least
just go out a road. You're big enough for you can hold certain conversation. Me and your mother, so what?
But mommy, at
Me have to
least
tell
you
you
not
before
give
people
sauce
tell you.
bun, you give a little mackerel with it, so you not choke pan the sauce bun.
Ah, Jesus.
Chat on there, chat me, no show.
You not chat about daddy.
Listen to me. We there they talk about you. We're not talking to you. You see the difference?
So.
You get the drift?
Remember you put me out, you know.
So what?
So everything I think share between you and the woman. But
Cause
other
I could have worked me and the woman not married.
No, but me happy.
You hear me there with girl? Where they talk about?
Me never say you're there with girl.
And you and her not married?
She a picnic for me.
Yes, so you fit get what she want, give her and get what me want, and give me, and so you go. Same so.
Tell us if you make a girl go look work.
Leave me child alone.
I mean, you worry about daddy.
Don't worry about her. You know say she look good.
And I mean,
You know
get
see?
put out, or you get put out.
And if
remember?
you never know me tell her this now. From the day me put you out, the next day she get a job.
Right.
You know say she look good.
You get job with that?
No, you're not busy about oi. Me not tell her say
You not get no money.
no,
though.
me not tell her say no
Proud
fi
of you
give
with
nothing
that,
you know. Me not tell her say fi no give nothing you know.
Proud of you.
But there's a but.
There's a what?
Mackerel.
There is a but. Anytime they give him nothing, if he hungry, remember the mackerel
I mackerel me
and
a
the
buy
rice, them what he used to give in name and the ton cornmeal by back game.
Yeah.
So that he deserve and that he used to give in name.
But you know, eat mackerel, you don't know that.
You know it mackerel?
You could have
So where you used to feed with our mackerel? Because you left gun yam shrimp on the woman yard?
Because you say I national dish, so me just buy it.
For which country? And what could have cost this,
And
Jesus?
Africa we did that.
For which country? Tin mackerel, tin boom,
There's nothing-
flash out.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it.
I which country national dish? Look here.
I'm just allergic to it.
Let me ask you one question.
So daddy is allergic to mackerel and the next woman favor mackerel.
Hold on there.
Yo, watch your tongue, you know.
Watch which tongue?
No,
You have the art of contract about tongue, yeah, so you have any? You know, so you can't talk properly. When I did your birthday, me did buy this gear and this gear. And the people them dirty clothes, me go wash. All when a tin mackerel you did that give me. And me tell you if you come out of house and you take up everything where you buy and where me buy, who you?
Then,
So your woman you go look find out where me buy give you.
no, me get a nice, comfortable place to stay and me and my virgin them go out at daytime. and we
Mommy,
just
me
go
used to
cruise.
run a margin. Fall come back in my stay, don't make daddy fall.
So I come in.
How would the bastard tell her that?
Hey,
Who
so
tell her
wait,
that?
so you come back now on that style and make one bag of story first before you tell me say you want to come in back. I come here want to come back.
Yeah.
That's
Hey.
why you have to stay one comfortable
Me
place.
say somebody can come blow dry me here for me because me not come because me take my hand and give
Yeah.
you one box today. Eh?
How you going to
Your
work
teeth out the whole of the comb, then when me have to come here and take you go give you a road and see that them put you out, me put you out. Where you stay back a full cube. Eh?
Good side.
If all them should have shit for you. You're damn an idiot. Look how you're big and worthless. Let me ask you something. When you did meet me, before you breathe me, before we even get intimate, you tell me, oh, you love me so much.
Man lie.
And you
Man lie.
don't mix up the rest of man them, say papa I lie.
No.
You lie.
Overall, man lie.
Yes, some of them, not all of them. Because it's not every man is a criminal. I know every man
alright,
thief
but that's
woman
fine,
things
then.
when
Go
them
on,
asleep. You remember say a cane piece. Me you think me friend to tell
Alright.
me daughter. Remember
Alright.
say a cane piece you did hold me down in, you know. And get me daughter, you know.
But
Alright,
I
let me tell
rape
you
that
what.
mommy,
Oh.
I rape.
Grape. A grape.
Shut in my box, see, man.
Shot wish
But
daughter
I
back.
rape
She reach
mommy.
the age where you can touch her again.
Listen me.
Cause if you put your hand on her, the two of you go fight you. So be careful.
I can't go to court.
Every man is a criminal
Child
Especially
abuse,
you.
child abuse, child abuse.
in certain ways. Right?
You a big time criminal because when me asleep, you not a thief. And I know every man thief woman when them asleep. You thief when me asleep and when me not asleep. All in a cane piece. What to you?
Why you
Thief
not say,
and
why you
rape
not say
together.
thief from me
Big
too?
criminal.
You better shut it up.
Me not wish it a who you call it.
Shut it up.
Me not shut it up. If you want to talk, you talk.
But daddy, are you
Because
getting
she
it?
big enough now. She reach. You don't know how much she reach now?
16
No. 2 months gone, long time.
I thought me not
She is
dream.
17 and soon reach 18. Don't do it.
Attack Jim Club.
You better because you don't know when your picking them birthday come and if you never know, the next child that you get outside, the both of them is the same age.
I
And
know,
the
I
same
know.
year and the same day
2
and
years
the
apart.
same month. Oh, you wicked. So what time you get for combine me in the cane piece and go juke out for your salt pin in the river or we were it?
I courage him, but
In a courage, the hands next way, okay, my friend did that tell me, oh, pay courage, take up our front, and you make hands bite out the whole woman just scratches. It's a wicked.
I saw Kane me they carry go down the road.
Go do it yourself, sugar.
And she come out and say,
Eh?
come here, me need a
You have a machine for grind out cane for make sugar? Eh?
No.
Then teeth them a machine.
Remember say we used to teeth Kane. Hey, go on,
We who?
Me and you.
Me and you never used to thief no cane. Don't mix me, don't put me in your dirty blender. Me done with you long time. And if you go come back on me yard, you have to pay for come in. And every time you go out, you have to pay for go. That means if you go look at another girl, me don't get pay for you go meet the girl. And me I get collect the money. So when you reach where she there, she get one little bit and me get the most. You're too bright.
And a 500 US.
What kind of workless man like you? Me no say you can't give bun, but how you go give the bun now? I mean first I did that with you know. I mean first you meet me, you know that. Me can prove it.
Me never give bun. Me just did a try.
And you want to tell me say, just see that try for do.
Live
You
like
want
a Africa.
shut your backside.
Africa.
Because if you did have no sense at all, you would have used condom if you did respect me, but you never respect me.
That
You see?
Mommy.
they're not good.
Mommy.
Me know because you love go. A raw dog.
When
Mommy.
I see when you could have go out the road, go catch all kind of sickness and carry come give me drunk rock.
Excuse me, mommy.
You should attack.
Glad daddy have AIDS. Look funny head.
I first hear me that attack the truth. Lord of God, come here, my baby. Come here, come hug me up. Come no run from him, all idiot. Put on his stone. Put on his stone.
You see how you make it.
Put it down, right. Come, me make and you make. Anytime you don't make the kids them come disrespect, you know the way how you talk to them, how you treat them and go and like say them big from them little. Little kids learn from the elder they want them. The little one them learn from the bigger one. So anything when she come out her mouth with, your fault.
I'm mackerel working on me.
Deep and mackerel them where you give her for nyam from she little until now when she
And
come
them
up
a
so
work.
big. At them attack.
At least I be a good father by buying mackerel. Some father now
I'm a good father that.
Good father for feed your picnic for
And me
mackerel.
I say, no daddy have
Oh my
about
pilly
list.
out there with the mind get piece of mackerel bone.
Happy nice.
You talk.
Shut up your dirty mouth, cause you look like you put on clean clothes and you don't pay. Now let me start pan your
Look
thing
well
here.
in slippers.
Both your full cub, look a full cub, back a full cub rich. Around them here say asleep. You think that's true me daughter tell me? I true me when you want see if you don't come tell
You
me.
know, say
But
me-
you not chat about the full cub where they sleep back. I walk this man.
My other baby mother better him put me up. My other
Yeah,
baby
other baby mother and me is best friend. You don't know what the two we are plan to do with a little backside. You idiot.
Applies, she go
a better
applies
woman
me
to
you.
you.
Move.
Relax, no, man. Relax, no.
What you just say? I this me no John Crow.
Mommy, come here, can you see daddy now?
Dirty dog. Me say I want lick in your stinking face to see about she a better woman for me. My friend now go in and nothing with you. The two we left you go and drunk. Make sure say your money go give her for mine or pitney. Dirty dog, I two pitney have it, two of them are sister. And anytime I see my friend, I go tell my friend boy you say me meet you up on the road, you come ask me if you come stay at me yard. Kuyo, you not get back this a front ya. You hear that boy, this a front ya no fear again. Make me cross out Popeye for out of this.
Mommy gone now.
Boy, so you can't in my ear, John Crow. Me know say I hear dirty dog. You will never get back this again, cause you can't breed me again. Come on. King Young boy in business. Go and go look for my friend. Me go make sure I call her and tell her say they come down her yard, the dirty swine. Old dog shit.
Lord, you never can make up the bed properly. Eh?
Mommy, we can't go over this stuff and I go do.
And I never make up the bed properly before you leave, Kayla. Me ever have to make up the bed after you.
Mommy,
You
ask
alright?
ask me a question.
Mm-hmm.
How you feel after what happened 2 months ago? How you feel?
Wait, then. After you say, come, the man.
You have to take bad thing with joking.
Right. You can't be too serious in my life. You know.
Why? That's it. We can't make that bother me too much. I'm name man. all me give thanks for is that we find out now. And we could have been going on for another 20, 30
Mommy.
years and I know, you know.
You tell the truth. If me I did, you would have shame.
Shameful. And me cheats.
The way how you sit down here and a chat, boy, we never give up, I will never do this, I will never that, go on the road, go find us here at a picnic.
I'm with my best friend too. Eh?
17.
Yes.
Me and I have a same.
All your best. You feel good in yourself?
All me know, me and Candy deal with him. And if him ever think say, me can't talk for your mother. Me know your mother long time, yeah? If him ever think say, he can go back to Candy.
Yeah.
No, your daughter.
Ebon, get to your head now. Mommy, this one you want to pick in it. Ebon, reach to your head.
No, sir.
She go mad. And the son a lick me. The son a lick. When me can more or less say the two on, me can more or less say the two on my daughter. Because they share the same father. And your mother is my best friend.
So to me. What's to me, mommy?
Me know you really want. Don't call that
is
name.
not my daddy.
Don't call
daddy.
Don't call that
Mommy.
name.
Mommy, personally, me think you need a vacation for
Me definitely need that. Me definitely. You go pay for it?
No, listen.
Me want to go Cuba.
No, look, guys.
Me want to go Cuba, all inclusive. You go pay my daughter.
Mommy, you see a man where you clown, make him pay for it for you.
Me don't want nothing from that the dirty dog. You mad?
I have to think about it too. You say, boy, you and Candy fight off the man, right? The man, they know.
Me no business.
Candy yard.
Which part in the candy yard?
In
Then
that
what
candy
else
yard.
If you
No.
that's what candy
No. Candy scour him out. Me scour him.
No, mommy.
That can't go back a candy and that definitely can't come back here, sir.
You know what Candy do?
What?
Take your turn and a piece of puppy show and take him and fry you.
No. Trina no candy. Candy not do that to me.
Hello,
Candy,
Listen,
all good for
she said
pepper
candy
him.
not doing that to her, so make her
Yes.
listen. All people are very stubborn. They don't
Hi,
listen.
mine with the old. Let's see the old. Here, let's see
Mommy.
the old.
You see, anytime you tell nothing you know like believe. Or some me tell you say yeah get born and you never believe. No, you go and see for yourself say Candy take the man. But you clamp, man. Your clamp now work.
A stapler.
You know,
All right,
pick the
remember who is
jackpot.
who? When I pick me and me is the big woman. Only enough to run that the joke with me, although it's funny. But still. Well, all me can do, me can't say nothing because when I know proof, you can't take care of it.
Mommy, me tell us you see me say me too big guy them.
All right, me not say me to disbelieve you. But me not have nothing to do with him anyway. So if she want to take him, she take him. If she want for fool and take him back off her business, me don't want nothing to do with that the old crosses. Me go clinic already and check myself and thank God me all right. That's all me want to know.
Your clamp not alright. If you clamp me alright, you don't
You don't know nothing about clamp. You don't know nothing about clamp yet. You're too young for know about
me
clamp.
know about clamp. Me a big woman. Me know about clamp. And me a clamp people and then
Me don't want to know about that.
And like
Hey, me don't want to know about that.
You don't be like, oh, me a clamp man, I make man let you.
Mommy, I really actually need a vacation.
You can pay for me, baby.
No, babe. No, mama. Go to your man where you clamp here.
Me not know man.
No.
Me not know man no
Mama.
more.
Find a new one and clamp the man. Goodbye.
Where we get them the funny daughter from? Oi,
Yes, baby.
where you go?
Eh?
Baby, where you go?
Can't look for you.
And how you just walk in my place like that?
Can't look for you.
You
no,
forget you have short memory.
Eh?
You forget some me nearly bust your backside with rockstone.
Mm-hmm.
What you want?
everything
Me no
fa-
want you.
We forgive you after the 2 months, you know?
You forgive me?
Yeah.
You have a cheek.
What?
You forgive me and you give me bun and I'll breed next woman. Breed one best friend. You're your fault. Can you not realize
I
they're
know,
my friend?
I know born me give you.
A cheese.
Me not understand what you're
Me not
trying to say.
understand what you do here, you know.
No, man.
Me not understand. Cause why your head tough? Me fling rockstone after you and you have to jump out of the way from that and you still are coming like say you own nothing, yeah?
Come on,
You have
relax.
nothing, yeah?
Relax now, baby. Listen, man. I try to show it. I don't want them woman, them girl, bugaboo.
Hi, mine, how you talk about my friend?
And you got the glue and the glamour.
Me never glue you good. Eh?
No,
My
man.
daughter come in here and tell me say my clamp no hole. Eh? And people are all laugh after me out of street. Eh? Of course.
You clamp
Come
hole,
around
me,
me
sir.
and you there. Eh? And me think say only picnic you have. Eh? That time you done breed my best friend. Well, you fought because Candy is my best friend and we said
All right, I know say it's she first. I know,
the business.
and I know you. In the same day when me and I done have sex, and you force me, and come out of the eye back. Oh, yeah, go on stuff.
Oh God. You know, say you're wicked. You know, say you not like see black people have anything. So that means you sucker out my best friend and take piece of my best friend and put inside of me. Come you know say you don't love condom already. You know use rubber.
Well-
So you make me and Candy even closer. Well, that me and Candy know what to do with you. Come on. Come out. I don't want you.
I put you out.
Me never put you in. That gone long time. It gone with the rock stone. Me fling after you. Should have
And
licked
I
you.
come say, remember I said all these years, I never live here. Now I'm ready to live here.
Hey,
With
and
you.
me here say you gone back to Candy.
Who
Go
said that?
back to Candy. A Candy you want.
Me not go back to that witch. You mad?
Mind what you say about my friend. Shouldn't even be sitting on my bed with your sour self.
I love you. And I decided to come
Don't
back.
call
Yes,
that the
sir.
word, because you don't know what love is.
Love is a
I
force.
sucker me out. And you know, say you just done sucker my best friend.
Yeah, go on, like say, and not.
Alright, no problem.
And
No
national
problem.
anthem.
Me will take you back, man. No problem.
Yeah.
And then me go out and sucker cudgel and come back to you. No problem. What is good for the geese is good for the gander. So sit down and relax. Oh, you feel sore up now. You not like the thought of that. But me must be happy with you sucker out my friend and take my friend juice and compose it.
Wait just
You
say
lucky
about the
some
goose. Repeat what you just say about the goose.
Miss Hey, you suck out my friend and then take for her juice and come put inside of me.
Yeah, wait you say about the goose. What good for you, ah?
What's good for the goose, good for the gander. So,
Let me
if
tell you
you
something.
want
Let me
soccer
tell you
too,
something.
me can soccer too.
Let me tell you something. And every gander is good.
Me
You
know. Me
And
know.
every goose is good.
Me know.
Right?
I mean, I know if you're a goose or the gander. Me know. For once you talk truth.
I bet you want me.
Hey!
I bet you cry for me.
Lord God, you feel the cold. You feel the cold, come feel hella freeze.
Remember.
You feel hella freeze.
Remember you always want
Time to them, man. Time to them. Dirty dog.
So, girl, can I ask you a question?
Yes, speaking.
So, your father getting the money for that way?
No. Mr. Girl, after what happened 2 months ago, not even a red dime me not get. My birthday passed and gone and I never got a thing for my birthday.
No, sir, me I tell you true, man. You know what cause them and something, yeah? Mommy fall. You too careless, man.
No.
Me a warn her and I tell her, I say, man, I give her bone, so she must stand up. She must step up. Cause the clamper, she a clamp now work, you know?
You know, man, he run out of steel, right?
Because, look how he make Candy take him man from him.
Well, but what if they can they have the man before and then she?
She what?
No, what if they can the man before and then mommy clamp him and get the man for?
If he shall clamp him man good and do like what Shensia say, when he take y'all man, he take them for good. You know, take him and give them back. You shall make Candy walk and pass in the street and I tell her that I say, see, you what take your father from me there.
Mm-hmm. That was it. No, man, you just sit on over there. No, man, I don't believe about that. You see, when
this.
I grow up, I want to have a faithful husband. Like
you don't feel like a time for you step up now.
Step up and do.
Get money for your father. Because your mother not get no money.
Then, girl, if mommy not get no to take care of me, how am I going to ask man?
Because you is the daughter.
Oh, me is the daughter, but according to mommy, she's the clumper and anything she wants from him, she can get.
Anytime she clamp a double giant, she get her muscle contract. Anything I want name. Muscle contract when she a clamp.
Yeah.
Watch this a half handicap girl, yeah. Watch the concubine.
You don't feel like you want chill. You don't feel like you want low people then pick me alone.
Hello.
I know you're going so strong.
Hello. You must say you're not a sister, so you're handicapped too.
What the BBC wrong with you?
Sit down, man, and shut up. You see me a day with something right, so you come and interrupt me, bigger than you. Shut up and sit down.
Me no business if you're bigger than me, you can't take it.
Hello. What's your name?
Since when I get so nice?
No, I'm always nice. Where your name? Something I say, me can't nice to black people like I don't know where your name.
Black a call
No,
black.
I
My
get
name Tiana, what?
Tiana. So I going alright.
This not feel right.
I mean,
But
not feel
alright,
right.
what?
Me just come to tell you say you're jacket. Tiana the jacket. You're not Papa's daughter. You are just a jacket.
At
Nothing
least them I say somebody
but
is my papa. You know
jacket.
your father? No.
Girl, you bright me know my father is foreign. If your father Jamaica.
So papa, you
Me
know
and
say.
your sister shut up and tap embarrass me.
So papa, you know say I tile them pick you up in a.
Girl, you didn't pick up in that tell yeah, oh, you're your father. Me that this thing but I show your father. I love you.
Yeah, so shut your mouth. Come
You're nothing but a jacket. Jacket. You can't disappear.
So my jacket
And you don't even one of the expensive jacket, one of the cheap jacket
You
them.
can't talk to her.
No, she can't talk to me. Awa. Your jacket, we're going about it. Big face, yeah, we're going about it. Jacket, yeah. Girl, me man, we're going about it. You can't
Come back here, so.
You can't talk about it. Jacket, y'all. Jacket.
So
Yeah, your mama jacket.
Jacket.
Right. You know what, Papa could take you as a daughter.
Papa could take you as a stepdaughter. Step us in your walk when some see you.
No. Yeah, so every time me they argue, yeah, make people like disrespect me.
Alright, fight him. Lick him down.
Well, I'm probably not girl, what you do? Jacket, yeah, and my sister never went with that. Bust on my face out here.
Yeah, she done bust.
Jacket.
Yeah.
Take me like your girl.
But the girl a fool.
Sit down. Right.
Boy. Mad.
You see, next time, you see me a fight, don't let off of me. Because you know me no bad. Me act bad. Backside, man.
You see next time.
Suppose me go grab her and she
Me
beat me.
here for hold you. Yeah.
Suppose me go grab her and she beat me.
So you not take me and don't know hit the
No.
prayer for.
Me a trouble like I'm not like her. She take your father from you. No, you not no money.
No, she not take my father from me. My father barely give me things. I just know he stop.
She could have like eat
Same
shrimp
girl.
now. A shrimp she cannot eat it and you eat mackerel.
No, if I look, you know, see red round your mouth, I'm actually in banana and drink syrup.
No, we not get no shrimp over here. You know, say me I can't go over.
Me too.
Me I can't go over. I can't go over. Yes, come on.
Mommy, asleep, asleep.
You know, I say, me not really did that sleep, you know, me just shut up my eye like, me did that try to sleep, but me not sleep.
Mommy, me I come off everyone. And me see, you remember that black mark, a ugly girl with this with daddy and the next ugly big nose one?
Who you talk?
It two jacket them with daddy got.
What you talk say?
It two ugly pitney them, but we see what they are with Charmaine pitney them, your friend pitney.
No, stop it, turn on. Me I talk to you. Have manners. That are my friend. When me know from long time before me meet your father, don't do that.
Mommy,
What you do,
it's a black
see,
marga one, see me I come up here and I call me jacket.
I know your father child that, I know your father child that, and the
No.
next one are your sister.
I step pitney.
Yeah, and step pitney,
She's
but
calling me a jacket. So me no look nothing like me daddy.
so your jacket?
No?
Okay. So where you follow she for?
Me not
Me and
follow,
Charmaine
me
a friend
say
long
what
time.
she
A long
say.
time Charmaine tell me so that the one day she don't know the papa.
But I more for be jacket.
So she jealous over you and her even her own sister. Cause the two of them I see mother, you know, but different father. And she they call you jacket. What could
Yeah.
that ask this?
And if I see her head look too,
Oh,
look
she
like
little
a
bit
dog
and
with
out
a-
there, so.
Dog with a swing in her head.
Eh?
If I see her head look like dog with a
When-
swing in there.
Dog, they swinging her head.
And in teeth they scatter like chain line.
Oh God. Oh God. Anyway. Anytime I see her, I go talk to her about it. She too
Me
out
can't
there.
disrespect anything to it to me.
Nobody in no argument with them. I don't want them to see you grow like a hooligan, you hear?
I know me a hooligan, mommy.
No, I know say them first touch. But I know, so your sister when you do it too?
My sister?
Eh.
Yeah, she did a laugh. I know
No,
sister
but-
that a janko.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. No. Don't say that, please. Although your father cheat and get a child outside, you already get that
I know
child.
that I'm father.
But are your sister and I still your father. So me not go tell you if you disrespect your father. And me not tell you if you cuss off your sister. But
No,
you see that
don't
little
cuss
old
me.
witch there? Where your sister call sister? Me not even sure if them are sister.
I
Cause
wish
maybe
I
a
feel her mother.
swap. Then swap all she. Cause could never Charmaine pitney that, you know.
And I
But
tell
she can tell about your jacket. She out of order. And bright. If you did come tell me say your sister now, We honor have the same father say your jacket mother understand where it a come from.
Angler, that bad enough
No,
for
mother
that.
understand, cause you know picnic can jealous over picnic, but that the one day when I no pooper.
And
Where
look at the
Charmian get
light
from, me no
post
know
there.
which part from in a whatever dungle heap or toilet pit.
No,
Look
don't
here.
me tell it, bitch. I'm gonna take him up, mommy, and I say favor.
Me not go say that I'm my friend
shit
pick me,
them.
but two them agree with me. They will make me say things that me no fi say no, cause that they little girl them better know, better ring with me no, cause she look like a toilet picture. I mean,
You see me, I tell
box
you.
with the cockroach them, and then take her out, you know.
Shami, you cockroach them a fear her sister.
She out and she a pass her place. I choose she know say her sister and you a sister. Fear sister and you a sister, but you and she and nothing. You get that one there?
Through her father, this one her friend.
Jealous.
She just come out, she jealous.
She jealous. If she ever make me see her and deal with her case, cause her back Charmaine box off cockroach off her and take her up out a toilet pit, the outside toilet pit. You know, but I rank with me. Oh.
That rain not follow, mommy. Close and take up.
No, they don't dry so good. Make them stay out there.
Mommy, me I go look something to eat. Me hungry, cause
Alright.
dirty girl sit in stomach.
Go on in the kitchen. Me dey cook little rice and tin mackerel as usual. Although you don't keep up another day, about 2 him broke in away. He come like say if me no me 2 days. Me a dream about it. Yesterday I yam chicken. But I am the tin mackerel today. Your belly way full tin mackerel and rice, of course. Some people call it flash out. Some call it boom. No
Yes,
worry,
baby, what you say?
don't worry yourself, my baby. No worry.
I call me, so come move in.
So where you carry that there bag there come? Wait, hold on. Why you carry that bag there come here?
Eh?
And put it down back on my door.
Oh, come put in here.
So your rag you carry come? No, hold on.
Put in here.
Wait, why you carry? How are this you have on the top?
Hmm? Show me this quick, me just suffer.
Excuse me, she had for watching her look under the battery.
You know how this buy? You know how it buy? My hard working money buy this. Tell her, baby. Put up my back.
Where you
Tell her.
go with bag?
Huh? No call me over for stay.
No, me no call if you come back on my yard.
Where you come for you?
Remember me say, this a frontier, sign, seal, and done with you long
Me
time.
don't want the front, but me want to stay here. Me can't go
You
and
think me an idiot?
You're going to tell it.
So, me an idiot, if you take money in my house and things saying and go come ask me for my front. Hello?
Me don't want it.
I breed the one come breed me again.
For what?
And left go breed one of my next friend again.
For what?
Oh, if me no call you down here for your stay.
No,
When me call you up on the phone little while,
mommy,
I drink you did I drink?
Yeah, I'm nearly vomit.
You don't smell that,
So
mommy.
I'm going to put it back down.
Hold on. When me call you up on the phone little while, I call you to tell you about your stepdaughter.
Black dirty girl.
You know say?
Let me tell you something.
She see my daughter on the road. Which is your daughter. So nobody look around and so to me say my daughter. Our child. And they talk about she a jacket. If she did say her own biological sister did say that, but that kind of understand say maybe she feel away because she find out say that who of them are the same father, but I know she say it. She hungry did a laugh.
Oh.
And anybody get joke then we laugh. Me not have nothing against the little girl. And my friend pick me.
Oh.
But the next insect, God forbid. God forgive him if he say.
You roach.
If he say this, but that's true. Why she can style my youth? I want him.
I can ask you a question.
What she mean when she say she a jacket?
Me don't know. They must know why they say so. They must know why, because my people, when they talk to me like how she talk to me.
I think if I make your people and call me a road jacket. If they
Hello.
keep it.
If you know what best you shut your mouth. Talk your talk. So what if you do about it now?
Take your clothes, them, and go along back which part they go, because me call you to talk to you about your child and your stepdaughter, and you don't tell me bullshit on my ears. She must know and them must know why them a call you own a pitney jacket.
Then why she
You don't have nothing to say, you can't pacify nothing.
How you reach that way? I don't want to know.
What you mean, government? Look here, the road I offer. A private road.
But I know daddy
I got land and government to make a road panny public. For everybody.
Daddy no man. Big 17-year-old. If you got my birthday, no.
Your mother put me out, so we couldn't tell her happy birthday.
Okay, yeah, my father.
So she not on her phone. That is no excuse. Sorry.
Mommy, me block you.
You're late.
How can I call somebody will block me on WhatsApp because them a text man and them a hide them DP? Like them,
You know,
yeah,
you sound like you want your daughter. You look on her age. She can't have a boyfriend.
I wish boy what?
You can't
And she
know
have her
for-
subject them.
I know for roof.
And she working. What is which roof? You have a roof over here. If you did a roof over here, me could have put you out. You have a roof over here.
I mean, walk out.
Remember, say I me buy nail them and you buy the board
Wow.
and you take out the nail, the whole
Yes.
place drop down. You forgot?
You stack up on food, there, man.
Where you watch me play so far?
could have ever provide.
Are you broke with yam tin mackerel and canned beef?
Wow.
You're lucky. You're not getting none. You go name shit.
You can't find money and you get tea.
Me nah cook give you. Go name shit. Me top cook give you. Papa, me stop cook give you.
You know something?
Hey, nobody tell you see me take it so easy, you know. When me find out, say my friend, you get pregnant, how long you breed, my friend, and me no know, you know. You keep that as big secret. Me not trust you again, you know. So if you even come back in and so come sleep, you know, you will be sleeping over the corner or upon the floor or under the bed. You know.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, me take that,
Nobody
man.
get too
Me
happy
take
because me
that.
no don't talk. I not touch me.
No, man, me good, man. Me say me alright.
Me uncle they sorry for you because me here say they sleep back at my John where you want name fall cook back. And you are my child father.
True.
And people have your road that chat about how house over here and your help make you and you there with a road. That's the only reason why they go make you sleep back in here, but me don't want you.
No, sir.
Me cool with that.
Okay. This is 2025 and before 2025 done me going to look a man. No ramp with me. And you're jealous over me seeing me like I say me here they grind.
No, man,
No
you
ramp
can't,
with me, you know.
you can't have all the money you want. Me good. Me cool with that, man. Me cool.
What you mean?
Me cool.
What you mean you're cool? Then you know must cool that they don't get hot and ramp with me. Oh, cause you keep such a secret from me for over how much years.
Me never keep it. Me did a job inch, but you never see it.
Then you can go out, please.
Make idiot turn. Can you see look like I say you want beard and you hungry? No, you can't hurt me again. I know they with the hungry catch ya.
If you sleep on the corner or on the road, let them go in the toilet, go sleep.
No, me no want when me go in the toilet. Hello.
Them know say me should have buy them 2 pill like you if dash her away. When me they come in at you. Cause if me they dash her away, she won't have time for you load up on me, you know. After me work so hard, tea people, mango, breadfruit and banana for minor. And that are the times that me get. I understand why some woman dash her pitney before they come out, you know. Because of them a problem them a run from. This is stress and problem.
Hey, Jeremy, man.
How far pitney you talk about that way?
Feel we?
With that way who?
Feel
Thank
we?
God you never put that there in my head because I wouldn't do it neither. I would have rather run away with my belly. It's big so. And go have me pitney in a
What you know,
bush.
yo, she had along? Tell her to excuse me, I want to talk to you private.
Are you make sure they deal with your sucker? You never have no respect
Tell
for
her
and
her
then,
room. Me want to talk to you
Tiana.
privately.
excuse the bit me here with the old dirty dog if you say. Cause if you think he might take time back with me front in and friend me up a line the tail. Line the tail.
And you're the only woman me have eyes for right now. And I tell you, just give me back a chance. And me make things right. Me used to give you little bit of money. Now I'm gonna give you enough of money. Just give me back a chance. It's time make US now, you know.
And that's why you don't want to hear you say I beg me back my front. You want to come sleep back with me if you come breed me again and left me go
No,
breed
me
one
not.
of my next friend. And make the two of we happy in the same time again like we do me and Charmaine.
No, me not gonna do that. Me set it
Although you
up.
never know say I'm a friend, but for sure you say he's a cheater and he's a womanizer. You can't satisfy with one front, you need many front. Front I go kill your backside.
Me change now. Me change.
You change.
Yeah.
That a when. Me never know which Lord Jesus, which Cambia you go.
Me change.
Which Cambia you change.
I am
you?
a one-man woman now, you know.
You
I don't want
So since me put
Charmaine
you out,
anymore.
since me put you out, you find one woman and she change you? Or which woman you
no,
talk
me dey go to church, go rejoice and repent and
Rejoice.
no,
After the foolishness them where you do, you go to church, go rejoice about it.
no, me repent. Me
I
go
repent you did want to say and say rejoice.
Yeah, and confess.
That's why I know say a liar. You. Cause how you have to mix up revenge, repent, revenge, and rejoice in a one.
Alright, yo.
So revenge you come back for take. Me.
Don't worry, man. Everything I go good, baby. I take a shower. You're good, man. Long time. I'll fix up. Just fix you up. I'll buy some roses and give you.
Fix up who? Me never tell her say me want you back, you know. Me never tell you say me want you back, so me no know how you so happy. You make me send out me pitney because you want take time come beg me fit dey back with me. Me say I catch you there catch in you, we would not go grind. We not go ride.
Alright.
We ain't riding anymore.
Alright.
So go see if you can beg Charmaine so front and say she da give you cause me know
Me
me
no
not
want but that's a cobweb.
you is a hypocrite, you tell me early on, you know. You tell me early on how much days ago. Since you try to come back in my life, say, Charmaine a better woman for me. Now you come tell me say you don't want her back, you is a hypocrite. So when you see Charmaine, what you talk about me say?
Maybe when me see you, me when
And when you
junk.
see me, you see what you talk about Charmaine say, you don't want her back. And you went tell me already.
No, me never.
Say she a better woman for me. No, no, you don't want she.
Me couldn't say that. Maybe me the junk.
Me know.
Me
You
did
ever
a drink.
drunk. Ever drunk already.
Relax, man. Now you me love, man. No
So what
worry.
you gonna do now? You gonna be there after dirty crosses in my bathroom.
Yeah.
I better don't know me soap and me know you love shit. Take time flush you in
Where you
the
cook?
toilet.
Where you cook? Cook bully beef?
No.
Where you cook?
Tin mackerel as usual with rice. I eat your broccoli.
Alright, me eat the sauce of rice. No problem. Yes,
Be
baby.
it first before you go in my kitchen because me no want nothing
alright.
in my pot.
Alright, honey.
No waste out me water neither. Take time shit, take time flush me toilet and take time use me tissue. Yeah, man, blast.
Come on, I. Watch out. Red dance.
Yes, dirty girl.
What go on concubine?
Me there drunk now.
Feel I'm afraid of you? You say me not like you?
Me need to let me like you.
I don't move from near the girl.
You know, see me have to come up. Me have to great my sister girl.
Come over here, so I'm licking your face. I'll defend me. Make a little dirty stinking worrying girl like talk to me certain way.
Me ever take a man, bitch? Me ever
You
take
know, no man for me if you take. My man them no want something like a you. Something like a you will kill them off as they look by you.
If you want to hold your man.
Hey, let me hang
Drunk or lie.
I thought your mama said the power of the
That is me the cash who are dead. Me no lick so soft.
What make him a talk to you, so?
A man who no pay a customer.
Hey, girl, don't tell her lie for me. Me lick you.
That one here different.
She the next one to me, your sister. She
Let
had
me do your girl.
excuse. I know you're some of it. You too liar that with you.
Yes.
Me the lick you.
He me fit you. Me not.
She should have lick you for true.
Why not pay yourself? Why not? Oi, oi! What is it?
Turn up your son.
How we are do?
No, you're not for fighting. I see two against you.
Daddy, how are you there for? I could not forget me like you. Me not like you now. Your mind. Cause your mother take me man.
Your mother can't hold him man. I feel me yard in there.
Come over here, son. Come over here, son.
I'm
Come.
not saying another option.
So you could dirty girl come over here, come argue with me.
You too?
You do that.
Talk.
Nigga, me not afraid for fighting.
Talk.
Hold me banger, cause I'll never in a shake.
Talk.
Hold me, daddy, hold me. No, hold me, no, daddy, come here, hold me.
Hello.
Daddy,
Jesus.
you eat that over there, so.
Hold me. Yes, the girl, let's see if you never hold me. You, me don't lick your if you hear girl.
But so where you hold her for true for? Where you hold her for true for? Daddy, excuse. You're drunk.
Bright.
You
Talk
are
to your daughter.
Hey, girl, my lawyer walk past me, you know?
I don't even see you. Delete your face.
Una sense.
Talk to her. Me never do her nothing. Me a walk and she push me.
You're the bigger one. The bigger one in the road with the two little jackass them.
How will you call jackass?
One jackass.
I'm here mine on you know. I'm here mine on me can't call on you.
Me no know how you call
If me a
yourself
jackass,
daddy.
you're a bigger jackass because of out here back me come from.
And the
Out
eye
here
never
bigger
chang
jackass.
enough. I saw come with on the jackass.
Me and your daughter, but me ask her a question. I say your daughter supposed to talk to you. She talk to you like your boy. Your boy?
This is no father figure.
Here there. You can't talk like a man.
Alright, see your mama come here. You weird. You will know who are the father figure. You don't
Find him.
know who are the father
Look
figure.
on her.
Mommy shall put your back out.
You can
Me no
chat.
find
You see how me that tell me say over the girl.
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
I feel me hard in there in bed. Mommy put him up. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you.
I'm to you.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I said you got a lie to bitch. Excuse yourself. What him?
But look at you in her face, she has sense, you know.
She told
Me have sense. You have
He
sense.
say you thump him
good.
for real, so you not get accused for fakeness.
I mean, she
Before
had
you get
Come
your
here.
taxi, you take you down to the street and shame you.
How are you?
You out the street and shame your daughter them before you bring them home and talk to them. You down to the street and shame them for looking for true.
Hold on.
Hold
Hold on, there, Charmaine. I want one right here. Come. The train is stuck. No, wait, hold on, no, fight ya. Although no must fight already. Come over here, so.
You know me not talking about it,
No, fight. No, listen, wait, hold on. I know you may talk to, you know. I know you may talk to, cause me know say Allah you tell pan them. Look here, me soon deal with you. Listen to me. This is your sister.
I know.
You know say your sister, right? Oh no, if you fight, don't.
No, I never see me did a fight, mommy. At the beach there.
Hi.
Hold on there.
How that
So,
come in?
Hold on.
Lady and you attack.
Hold
It's
on.
my daughter though.
I'm gonna ask to my mother.
All right, no
Because
this.
see my mother,
All right,
she
no disrespect her. I'm a friend member. If you have manners to people, me teach her that. Listen, cause our daughter never disrespect me. Listen, what me listen. How I go now. I'm a friend. I'm not gonna make nobody. I know picnic. You I mean one. Are you me calling nobody? I know them.
Make Candy talk and keep your mouth.
Me not make nobody. Me be specific.
Make this.
I mean, I make no children. Me and my friend, when me know for a long time, in a nothing. You, as a pooper and a stepper, come here so I see them in an argument. Me don't know what go down, but me stay way down so I hear somebody come tell me come up here, you know.
Never beat me.
And you know, come say to your two daughter and your stepdad. Me know say if I see that one you in the look, me know say a lie they tell.
We beat ya.
Listen. Listen,
beat one man.
Listen to me
See
now.
how them
All right, guess what? All of the disrespect stop
Alright. Wait, then I can't say something.
now. Why you up here
Wait,
so I fight? What is the problem?
No,
Me
my
a come up
point.
and she boring.
One at a time. Who first one talk?
Me.
Jesus God. What you do? Me not talk to you.
on.
Stay one side until me ready for you.
Alright, just
What you
let me
say?
talk.
Come in the one day say to my daughter.
Your sense as in him now. Make we attack him first. This is him Diana say we beat him up, right? So since we get accused for it, right, we can beat him up in front of him
No,
for sure
no,
say we do it for real.
Wait.
Because then come here and accuse we.
No.
So no make no sense we not do it and we get accused.
No, you're my friend daughter. Let me tell you something.
Oh.
All right, so don't worry yourself. Here, easy yourself. Just try to live good with your sister and live good with your next sister. Me know say, listen, me know say you and your sister is not the same father. You understand? And me know say you and my daughter do not have the same father. But that no means so no feel live like a hooligan. Me know your mother for years and me and her never have anything yet. You know, sister, not even. Your stepfather could never make me and your mother in an argument. So why uno young people, look how no pretty and nice. What no problem on the pan road that disgrace on yourself? And you know what?
You need to talk to your daughter.
No, one lady just tell me. Not true, you don't hear me I say nothing. Me no say that when I start in and not true because I'm a fitness sister, you know.
I know she started.
I know, say no she.
she.
The lady describe you and tell me the kind of clothes that who start to wear up here so. So you me come about now.
come
Let me
here,
tell you
mommy, I'm
something.
sure
You go have manners
Right.
to big people and know how to. Oh, you the fight
And she
after your
chop me.
father.
Me no.
Yeah.
You shouldn't.
What me tell her
We
first?
about it. I mean, yes, we about it. The lady saying
Talk
how
up
the
like
fight after
a
their
man.
father.
Now him push up tick in your face. So she
And
push up tick in your face.
And you
You
and
beat
them are no size.
Cheer them. Cheer them.
No, you're too lie.
Me need a-
I
too
got
lie.
some money now. Stop tell lie for me pick
No,
me.
listen.
me need a-
I lie. Me here says this one, and you did stand up there right here when the lady says this one start to war up
You
here.
can't take here say go cut Candy.
No, but
You
that's true.
can't
The
take
big woman not tell a lie
no
on her.
business, you can't take
And
here
as she
say
started
go
to show me
court.
believe. The
Yeah,
woman
like
show me up on the
it's
camera.
You don't know my daughter
It's not
Candy.
this one started now. My
We no
child.
witness nothing.
They
Candy.
I
You
see
can't
it on the
take here say
camera.
go court.
No, I don't hear me see it on the camera. You see, don't do it to me because you're a child. Don't do it, Charmaine. Don't do it.
Don't involve me. She see me, I come down and I call me
Yeah,
red and
You
then
know-
the girl can bright.
Miss Candy, make her ask you a question. Words can hit anybody? If me call you one name, where you supposed to let me down?
Listen.
But I shouldn't promise so.
Your daughter push me,
Actions
no.
speak louder than
Get
words.
me right with
Your
you.
So I
daughter
do
push me, no.
understand whatever you're saying, but
Your
listen,
daughter push me.
she do it for a reason.
And what she
Why
does,
is
she
the
do it
people
for?
and they trouble them and they not trouble you?
Me not free for talk out of my mouth again.
Then they free
I
for
feel
bust
you.
your backside.
All right, done the argument. Can we just
You
go
better
down
lie,
in
no.
They're
circles
free for
over
bust your
him?
You better
backside.
hold her over there,
Him
so.
no work the argument and the raised blood pressure. See, here
All
one.
right, yeah.
No come.
Go where you are.
You
Okay,
still
then
not
next
doing
thing too,
business.
you don't have no sense, cause
later.
remember say make
Shut
it girl
up,
take your
Candy.
man. You hold it off of me.
This is sitting here for.
But here, yeah. So well understand me. Make your daughter then go on. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you done say them figure then yard already. You come here when me talk to you.
Hooligan, maga,
All
girl,
right,
go
you
on.
done too. You done too.
Wait, hold on. Me not understand you, Shamin. You not me not understand you for the years when me know you. Me never know say your daughter talk to you, so you not tell me that. You keep secret from me to you. Know your daughter just say to you so.
Candy, me will deal with my picnic.
You know you she just say to you she style you.
Remember who the common enemy is.
Let me
Yeah?
second it.
You she style
Remember
you.
who the
Let me
common
second
enemy
it.
is.
Yeah.
Don't touch me.
We don't business with the picnic then, because they will go shame with our road. Everywhere we go,
You're big man and you talk and shame on street too.
I need...
No, hold on there. Are you come watching me are you?
No,
Wait,
listen,
hold
my
on.
picnic- business with
My picnic at church.
No,
Candy
no,
don't
no,
do it.
no, no.
Candy don't do it.
Yeah, we have
Candy
to-
don't do it. Where him
No,
could
no,
make
no,
it
no,
all
no.
out.
No.
Don't do it, Candy.
Oh
don't
no,
do it.
me have to go deal with
Deal
them.
with him.
No,
You
you have to
with
deal
my
with the children
picnic.
then.
Me will deal with my
Right
picnic.
is right.
You deal
Right
with
is
your
right. You have to deal with them.
Don't do it,
Because
Candy.
come like you set them to
Don't
fight
do
off
it,
their one
Candy.
and they you mean don't do it.
Candy.
Oh you mean don't do it.
Deal with him,
What
Candy.
the hell you
Don't do
talk
it.
about? We have to talk to the
Don't
whole of
do
them
it.
because foolishness never go on with you so.
Me will deal with my
What you
picnic.
mean?
You deal with
You
yours.
don't look like you can deal with them, Charmaine.
Candy.
You don't look like you can deal
Candy,
with
what
them.
I deal with?
What the
What I
black
deal
side
with?
on the say they do? Eh? You turn up here so before you
You want
fight.
a woman for fight over
I'm
you.
me, I'm the victim, you know.
You and Charmaine now fight away and you hear we are chat about the picnic them.
I'm me them thief, you know.
So, hello, Tifa.
Them thief me 50 grand,
So
right?
them
that's all.
thief, you
Hey,
too.
you have 50 grand for
Lord
them
Jesus.
for teeth.
I
Stop
can't
tell
be a
lie.
care if you can share between the two on the car.
Stop tell lie.
Wait there. So I'm not see
Stop
them with
tell
no
lie.
money.
Where the
So-
money there then?
Yeah,
Where the
no.
money there then?
Me not want penny chip on the 50,000 because that's not
Which one of them thief from you?
Don't
Me
touch
not know which one of them. Come on, baby. Listen, no.
Baby, don't touch me.
Make we
You can
just go
talk
to
with
the
your hand.
hotel.
Put them out.
Come like answer by
We
me.
just go to the guest
Hold
house.
on there.
I would just spend.
Which one of them thief your money?
Me don't know which one of them, but make it 10.
So you're sure say you get 50 grand and
yeah,
you
I
got
tell.
Me I care 50
Which
grand for calling
him
me
a
to
got
one.
him a got quiet now, another 50 grand.
Yeah.
Which one of them thief your money from you? Tell me go take it back from them. and
Me
come
don't
back
know
home
which one
here.
of them, but yeah, we have to know.
All right, listen, how we go now. Me say me would have take it back from them and carry come give you. Just tell me which one of them thief your money so me can take it from them and share for me and Charmaine. 25, 25.
I want to know type 3, but me not really matter because I free me pick
Yes,
them
you
no
say
matter what.
lie at this. Yes, you say oh lie at this. That's why me never kill it.
So them thief 50 grand from you. And it no matter because your kids them. So what you tell you for?
Aye.
Because me and the two one just go and guest house tonight and have candlelight and have.
With one the money gone, you say money gone. Where you go use pay the hotel fee and everything?
No, me have little money can book the room.
You want to go hotel? Wait there. Wait there. Wait there.
Relax now.
Wait,
Relax
me
now.
I can take who for hotel? Eh? You think some me old trash?
It one of me woman. I'm coming to
Well,
serve
let me
me.
beat my man then. Let me beat my man
Watch
then.
out, watch out. What kind of little lick that you again, Charmaine? This a big old tough donkey. Come here. Hold on. Get your backside. Come. Yeah. Let me go. Let me go.
Go hotel. You think say we all that? Go hotel.
Relax now.
Eh? Lick him, Candy. Lick him.
Me want lick your
Candy.
body.
Lick him.
All right, yeah,
Candy.
yeah,
Lick him.
yeah. All right, let me get the
Go
money.
hotel.
Take money. Take
Give me
money.
the money.
Wait there.
On the
Give me
line
the
up.
money.
Line up.
Stop tell lies.
Give me
Talk
the
it
money.
true. They take no money from you.
Eh?
They all take money from you.
What is
Liar.
that?
Liar.
Line up.
Liar. Liar.
Candy.
Liar. Liar. Drunk
Hold
now.
him.
You're too damn lie.
You're cool.
Line up.
Who go hotel? You think so we
Liar. Come on, about your business, liar. For them people take down 50 grand from you, yeah, money. You drink rum like a dog. Bobo Pitney take money from you. Top 10 life on them.
This is how lie my top how we picnic them though.
As bad as thing, and as bad as them be. Me sure say they not take no money from you.
This is how lie.
With
It's the
all
same
dead
lie.
prick boy you want two man one time. Dirty dog.
Candy, me have a big joke for you. You know where the dirty dog just walking in my place like say him still own it and me and him still there. Hear the joke.
It's you I want, I always loved you. And me want come back, baby. Me no want that dry girl candy. Me want come back. Tell me something. Him did there with you first? Can tell me, say, him did there with you first. And the same night he meet you and him come to me. Kaka fat, you know, see me and you a sister now. Cause your juice are flowing at me and my juice must be flowing at you.
No, listen. Guess what you just said to me?
Me
believe you.
run
You
him.
know why? He come on my yard.
I told you I'd run him. Brute.
And they go on with himself and they tell me, oh, no, I you. And me want, and me and baby and this and that.
Yes.
Let me tell you something. Me hunger go put you up and you go sleep either the corner. I'm not afraid
From the dirty dog.
either the corner, me don't care. You want to hear in here. Either the corner, you go sleep under the bed or upon the floor. The way you
You're good for put me out. You're good for put him out.
So you
No.
me.
If you want me baby
And
father,
the
and the same man sleep in a full cub, right behind the man full cub back
Where you
in there.
till
Right
like
That's
that
how
beside
it
for?
belong.
right back in man full cub.
Where you until like that
So
for?
true, after me and your baby father, me and your friend, but just to make you idiot stay on the floor or over this upon the bed, because you can't touch me.
You for build a brick wall between your ear.
Oh,
Then
you
I
got
go try.
try. Dirty dog, you think me not ready for your junk? Me see you this a long time.
What we do?
What you mean, what you do? Oh, you see how you go tell Charmian, oh, you know,
You know what
just
candy
meet
you
me.
want me.
And
You gotta tell Candy
when
say
you
you don't
just
want
meet
me, you
me,
want candy.
When you just meet me, at the same time you do right with me. Wish I chew in the cane piece, me dey give you.
Hey!
And not even me give you nothing, you hold me down and take you and breathe.
Him hold you down too, him
So
hold
you
me
dey
down
chat
too.
one woman with another woman and the other woman with the other woman.
Eh.
I say I do. I see when you tell me say you don't want Charmian.
And you tell me say you don't want candy. Eh?
What kind of game you play?
Me tell you that.
Me a liar. Me a liar.
Me tell you that.
You're too bright.
Me a liar.
Right in front of me, you dey tell lie.
Me a liar.
You tell me so you don't want Charmian
you
and
come to
me
the
you
two
want.
friend. And you believe the two friend now got chat. And me a go
So
fall
you
out
try
check
to
you.
two we head. You don't want share, you don't want me. What you
I
want?
love you, baby. You know that.
You there?
Hey there. Hey there.
Say nobody love Charmian again.
For the record.
Hold
For the
on.
record.
Say nobody love her again.
No.
Me
Him never
love
did. Him never did.
What you say? Who you love? Who
Huh?
you love?
Me love you.
Love who?
Don't point for me.
That's what
Don't point for
No,
me.
me not paying for you.
Eh?
What you mean?
Eh? So who
Me
you love, so?
What that mean?
At the arrow. Me love you.
Me no love you, me no love no arrow you have neither. Me no love no pint. Go long.
Which part
dirty
you go? You
dog.
better you go on. So me
Yeah,
no want
go long. Can
continue
you
the
perfect
conversation
my
now
brain
with
and
you.
I spoil my
Me
spirit?
no want.
Don't dare talk to my friend.
Not touch me. I open up my perfume, I take out. Where they come from? Over me yard, come and go take back my key from you again. And you see this time when me take back my key from
You
you,
should have do that
you
long
nah come
time.
back at me yard. Sorry for you to me, you say I sleep back a man full come back.
Move and go on.
Where you smell like me perfume?
And it not even smell like
Why?
nice for you.
All right.
All me what? All me what?
All right.
Go long off cold folk up where you
No,
go
no,
long.
where you take out my perfume
Oh,
and I use
dirty
it for like
dog.
a you by your
You
little
can't tell me,
idiot.
me no know how in heaven's name you
I'm
open
sorry,
up
me
thing for
sorry
so
for
long.
you. Sorry, me sorry for you drunk, bro. But think can't get back this affront
No.
again. I just catching the house.
You still
can't-
have to keep in your
He
house.
just asleep there so
You're
till he
good,
get
Candy.
somewhere for himself.
You
Cause
is the
two of me
most
sitting up and me
forgiving
don't want to let him on the
person
road
me
too
know.
long. And if he talk too hard, me run him out, make him come over here.
A joke that make me gone. Like how it perfects my spirit, me
Come on.
gone. Come. Oh, dog. remember,
Alright.
remember how Miss Louise used to bust we ass? We had the belt round our neck. Come and sit under my nose. Come and sit under my nose,
You
remember?
used to hate the woman there, see? She disgusting. The woman spiteful.
Oh, God.
And she used to punish me and not give me nothing for name. But you're not going to get the food until you learn to spell your name. Me hate her. And then she have one long old cane.
Oh, God.
You see, anyhow me come on school late, the woman tell me to take off my tights. I used to wear tights and a uniform, remember?
yeah.
And tell me to lay down over the bench. Whap! And you go tell my mother. She and my mama are friend, then my mama want next idiot. Tell the woman say, She come home, come tell me and I give her another arsing. First time people me not like that style.
No, same. So my mother, my same.
Two
So my
beating
father
and getting a one.
That's why.
Teacher give one, mother give one.
That's
Nowadays.
why me never used to do my things in front of people. Me get catch with what? You must
Hello. Good evening, my manners.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
I'm not one man named Popeye.
How are you? Where you ask about Popeye?
I'm from one man named Popeye.
Why you look for him and
I'm
who
father.
are you? Where?
You what? So that
Father. No, I live so I can't ask you.
Little girl. Your mama deck. You how much you roll before me start was certain?
30.
30.
Oh, wow.
Jeez.
Wow. This is our number 4. Wow.
Well, lad.
Whoa.
Easy
Let
to
me
believe
stand up for
people.
this
You know
one.
say I know they in the day with
Come
the
and
little
know
girl.
him.
You in the day with the little girl, ma. And he
Me
ma
know
come, said he
him.
come for the
Oh,
money
little
and that.
girl.
Oh, sorry.
Two of them.
My manners.
Oh, not twin.
Evelyn.
Yeah. Big sister.
Nothing to do with no baby. Tell me how on the father tan.
Oh, yeah,
Describe
wait.
it.
Hold
Hold
on.
on. How your father
What's the
tan?
name?
Fuck! You see this? Hey!
Nah. You know what's
We
something
don't have any
I
more brother and sister?
No, just 2 of them.
You have to check.
have? Where you from, my brother and sister?
I don't know.
We have to laugh now. We can't take this serious no
Not
more.
twin man.
We can't take this serious
So, what
no
you say,
more.
Papa, you not look for no father?
I'm not party live.
So why you see me on the road and she and you know see nobody else?
No, me a pass and ask if I know one man named Popeye.
No, me no know him. How? Yeah, are your father? Are your mother saying come to come ask me that?
No, I don't even know you miss.
So tell me something.
So you can't choose
Me
me
just-
if you can't this a coincidence.
Hold on.
Outside.
Be curious. Me not fast, no business, but me just want to know. Is he a good father?
I don't know.
Well, no.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey. So how your father and you don't know? So you not take care of no?
Yeah.
So if your father
good or bad, come there, they run him like that. I'm just gonna spend time. I'm still not sitting on my bag.
so who you gonna spend time with?
My father.
Chubbox side.
Hi.
Where your father live, little girl?
No, I'm just gonna pass and ask you know.
Oh, wow.
How much papa there in the world?
Me no know none other. And me no recognize no other one but the
Where
one
your father last
Popeye.
name, little girl?
No.
Jesus. Are your mother last
Hey.
name, I guess?
Look, so.
But me not tell her-
Him do her the same thing.
Wait, hold on.
Him do her the
Little
same
girl,
thing.
Miss won't call you no back. Go on out there a little bit. Go on.
No, not too far, baby. We
No,
just a fight. We just a confer if it's Why? Why? A 4.
You just say pity name for papa.
Yeah, man. Come and see them. Come and see in double.
So,
Then you can't deny them too, you know.
yeah, Miss won't call you no back.
Yeah, man. No, don't come too far. We just a double check. Say he's alright, Popeye.
No,
Hold on there. Hold on there.
No leave.
Hold on the little.
Listen.
Go stand in the shade.
The two pitney them are twin. So papa coming back in a me
I
house.
saw that ugly wretch. Hey, and catch you. Catch me. I bet you hold her down in a bush same way.
More and get up.
No, sir. Me have to laugh now.
No,
You like
listen
you have to
now,
take bad
listen
thing,
now,
make
listen
joke.
So, them the two pitney there.
On top of your one, on top of my one.
He favored.
That one in can't, then the twin can't. 2 for the
They
person one.
favor him.
No, sir, we have to go deal with him, you know.
Hold on.
We have to deal with him.
But
We
look
have to
up-
we have to plan
Happy
and deal
nice,
with him.
just
He
listen.
gone too far
No,
now.
listen.
Wait. See,
Listen.
no, sir, you have to deal with that. That can't work. You see me, I laugh out of temper. That
Me
can't
taking
work.
back the drunk crowd. You
Yeah,
not get to me
idiot.
and say no.
Yeah,
Chase me, I laugh. Me
Me
serious
just
right
tell
now.
you, say, yeah, idiot, you used to get catch by me.
No,
and
listen.
you get catch
When
by
I
him.
listen, man, you think me a fool? Just ease yourself, no man. Remember, say I'm a baby father, so I have to help him because he might sleep back. I fall come back.
I feel me baby father, so me
Me
not do
know,
that.
but you not taking me in and me name want the disgrace and sitting cause you know say
Hey.
with daughter they say sorry for man take him up for her although she always a cuss him and something. So me know I tell me daughter say yeah alright cool whatever. Take him in and sing. I remember me tell him so if he sleep over the corner or on the floor under the bed.
Little from this knowing
So
him is on top of
when
the
he
bed.
left and say
You're
they go
lucky.
work. He find another woman and breed a woman, but this a man
The
that don't
same
like
time.
use protection.
Eh, You go check yourself since you find out.
Me and him not do no remember, he just a stay me hard. No.
Disease staying on you for years.
Yeah,
You see when me find out, me run go clinic go and
Listen,
check
man.
myself.
No, me go long
Me
time.
go check
Since
myself.
he come back in my house, me and him
And
no,
that
you know,
now come
remember
near
me
me.
run him out. You forgot? You left him, me and him no there, me just make him and stay there.
Yeah.
I want dirty dog.
Yeah, idiot.
So I see we if little girl come here. You two wanna come here.
Come on, work so far. Come.
Come here. Come here. Not a thing. We just wanna discuss about the man we wanna they ask about.
Your father.
Uno father. Anyway. How are uno mother?
Hello, man. Where's that for today? Oh, night, yeah.
Where wanna come from?
Up there, so far, that's all. And so what we staying where?
Western. Which part wanna allow not tell? Which part wanna Western wanna live?
We tell.
So how you act like the two not twin, you know, I see him age, you know, a big old 13-year-old, you know, fi act like you know all sense. Which part of Western you live? Me kinda see somebody like you run a PV lane, you know. One day when me dey walk and sell the guests them around there, cause me walk and sell when me ready on the beach. Tourist things, you know, like them nice little something here. And some other red and gold and green one and me always sell them. So you know look like a somebody when me know, but me not too sure. Anyway, a PV lane no live not true run a Western. Man, this one already. But me never know say papa. You know him, you know? Of course me know him.
Oh, we both know him.
I'm gonna look for weed bag. Oh no man.
We can't spend any day.
But if you spend a holiday with somebody who don't know where they live. Suppose man take you know, you know say you're 13-year-old and you know mother know say you left out of yard with clothes. Bag of clothes and sitting. So wait the phone no mother idiot then. Because you know mother send you somewhere you don't know. If you get in touch with the father, make you father know say you know come there and he look out for you. And you know have one little phone and he call you know and know which part from the road you know that me not understand.
No, you attack a
Me not
father.
believe them.
You attack a father, not a sperm donor.
No, wait, me not understand.
Hey.
No. I run on the runway.
No. My father don't talk.
But me have a question. Him telling us say him have place to put you know?
No, they uno and him talk on phone. Uno never talk to him yet. They never talk to him yet. They don't know where he live.
Why?
What's it
Hey!
We're too big old woman on the far road and beg people picnic.
Beg, hey!
Stop me, man.
Hey! You stand that side, Candy, be on this side. You don't recognize their faces. This is the man in the picture. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey! 3 and 4. Hey!
I made that. But anybody can take a picture of a social media.
Why? Here the line not even have imagination.
Come here, cause me no know you and I first me ask you. Me no who these two kids to you?
I force you to see me.
Yes.
I force me to see them.
Eh?
Stop this one, me.
Hey!
Here you know.
Hey! We want to see get out of this, you one.
This
So 4. How much? What the number now?
sorry.
What the number now?
Hello.
What the number now?
Where you member?
I'm a niece. Them.
Are
Hey!
your niece?
What are doing?
Me and you work, cause me don't know you. I first me ask you who you.
I'm a niece, man. What
Are
are
your
you
niece them here?
Eh.
my holiday, daddy.
Hey!
Let me tell you something now. Where you say you don't know me?
I'm my wife.
Where? When?
I'm out to this.
See me.
Don't bring me in another.
Listen. Hey, tapping eyes making talk today in pitney them. You are your niece them?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. You want just a little girl? Him say, uno and niece, me and wife, and see side chick there. Well, story come to bump now. Uno turn up right here so what you want know. What uno up to, what uno come about. And if I lie, uno tell. You see him? I'm a picnic pa. You see him?
I'm my picnic pa.
I'm picnic pa.
That's why I asked you earlier if you have no
listen to
brother
me.
and sister.
Hello.
You have sisters.
So, me have one daughter for him, and she have one daughter for him. So no have
Shut
two.
your mouth. What you do wrong now?
Don't lick her. Don't lick the child.
Me tell you,
She have more sense than you.
Don't let the yard. The kind of no other family.
Oh, so him know them.
He
Don't
know
let the
them.
yard. You can't even lie, you damn brute.
Next
You
you talk.
can't
Next you
even
talk.
lie.
What you say about niece? What you say, little girl?
Where are your niece? Where your child?
Me know that.
Hey!
No, where your
Hey! Hey!
You chat too much.
You know that.
And I'm
Yeah,
side
that's
chick.
it. Why how many carrot? I'm hungry.
Yes!
Hungry too.
Yes! And my daughter hungry or mouth dry. Candy,
Me
you're
daughter not hungry.
Oh, you're too prideful.
Me daughter
My
not
daughter will
hungry.
take her sister share.
Me daughter not
My
hungry.
daughter
and
will
she
take
no
her
want nothing
sister
from you.
share.
Finny
And
and
you know
remember
say
say,
you
I'm the
not
host,
leave,
you
you
live
know
in
say you not leave this spot till
Hello.
something run.
Hello.
And then I'm going you.
Let me tell him. Let me talk to him.
Because I'm
I'm
tired.
Billy.
I'm me house you live in.
I'm me Billy.
I feel me nail there in my board.
I feel nail but I'm my boy.
And if me take out the nail, the house drop down. Someone fi know where you go put yourself and them.
Oh,
Your
Can they
daughter
come
will
to
give me
stay?
and myself. I go when me run you out. Again.
Again.
If me run you out now, see them. Oh,
mommy
see,
get
look, see
rice.
little girl with bag here. See there.
Yes.
Then come fi spend time with you. Where you go put them? Then young and night a come down. So guess what? Me we take them in at the house and then garden yard tomorrow and you are go sleep out the door. How the part they go? Cause me
Because
can't.
them can't
Me
sleep in the
can't go
phone.
put them out the door. Cause a girl child
You
them
know
and
that?
then young.
You know
and then
what?
a responsibility
Me now waste
themselves.
no
Who
energy
you?
on it. That is a good idea.
So,
How you breed other woman and in a me house?
I don't mind at the
Hey,
same
A
time. You deal
mistake.
with him, can they come? Me
Hold on
not
there.
deal
a
with this.
mistake.
Where you say? How them?
Which one are we a mistake?
Where I say, oh,
Which
they-
one are we a mistake? Which one are we a mistake?
What?
For them mother, Candy or me, which one are we a mistake? Or whichever 10 million out of street.
Listen to bad
You
guys,
see, if we you see how the spirit work, if we never catch out outside on a technical breeze, huh? What information would have passed we
And
by?
you stop repeating them and create problem. You shouldn't stop them. Why you do that?
You shouldn't jump in at them mother and all the way,
Yeah, you're right.
all the way, and her
And
create
that you say and she
problem.
you what?
Side chick.
We're not chick
From
to
when she
you.
a side chick. I'm
Me
a
a
friend you
chicken.
talk about.
We look like me a
When
feather.
she turn side chick.
Idiot.
And now when me and you married.
Idiot when she said she going to give me back peace.
Hey! What day that is, it really drop on your head. When me
So,
tell
hold
you
on,
that,
come back up your
oh,
stuff.
dirty lie.
Wait. So hold on there. You they go behind me but they tell Shamin to give your piece. Me and give
She offered me the apple. She said
You liars!
she said the
Stop
apple.
tell
She
lie.
said the apple wants ripe and now something picky.
I told this idea to
I'm not even going
Me
to say
tell her to
nothing.
my wife, nah give me nothing, my wife. Me lay down on the side of the corner of the bed. She said me can lay down in a fair bed fully.
Stop tell lie. God will
can-
strike you
Oh
down.
no.
So wait,
Me
let me
tell you no say, no feel look for me we always come a yard, come go no money. Because I pay a gunman there around there, so on the left, could I get take away on the wicked.
Girls, let me tell you about the dead dog
Hold on there.
father.
Hello.
A chicken coop him sleep. That's why I asked you earlier, where
Little
we not
girl.
gonna stay?
Which part you live around a Western? You have space around if you take him in and he luggage him over my yard?
Chicken coop.
So when me make put out your this time for good now and forever. In Jesus' name, amen. How you go?
Alright, let me explain how they
Explain
bad.
now.
Alright.
You're not going to explain so. Kneel down.
14 years ago,
Kneel down before me shut your box.
me they have arthritis.
You should have think about that.
Right? But them mother supermarket, them mother
14.
couldn't pay for the bill. I mean, use the last money when we did couldn't send the daughter go to school for 2 weeks. And I same thing go see your daughter, we couldn't send him for 2 weeks. We
Try,
take
try.
big boats and pay for them mother go school, right? Get the number. And so the time when we did it on the phone and I tell her say,
You know no money.
me not no money at the
That
prime
time you
minister,
have
me
the
beg
money.
And the mama did ask me for
So
money.
you take the how much money and go do right.
Right, and then the partner money now, the 200,000. We take big boss and carry go there.
My 200,000. My 200. Jesus Christ. And more than that you take from me.
What not about? Who for 200,000? How for money?
The partner money when me throw. The money when me she always
So you're not gone into the money you take from me and free with it,
that the
daughter.
money they spend out at club with my friend them. Toga the boost me I say for buy Hennessy on top of
Who
Hennessy.
wants
And
something?
then the first
Who
time,
name Toga?
one of my nigga. And him boost me for breed them.
I him push it in there, mother them.
Really ask this a big old jackass I say.
Him take you for idiots, you know. Him take you for idiots.
Original ship you left on, you know?
No! Them mother supposed to tell them this story, say then them mother get pregnant in a banana walk.
Let me feel
Me
it.
not tell you this and hold on.
The heap of lie them where you turn up here so and tell in front of your 2 child.
Him not
Your
care.
2 children. A matter of fact, cause I know one. Let me correct myself. In front of your 2 children, them are twin. You can't see they all identical. You really disown your 2 pitney them in front of we.
No, me never.
Especially
He
me.
never call it them
Especially
enemies.
me. Oi.
No.
Put your hand.
Oh.
Oi,
Just
turn
to
round.
clarify.
Especially me, we take you in back. We shouldn't even take you in back.
Me accept one as family same way. Me not say niece. I still accept. I never deny you know. Me could have said me no know no. Me could have said on a thief. Me could have said on a robber.
You're real. Candy, nobody go
Look how you
prison
and
for
them
this.
favor.
Don't go prison
Oh, you
for
would
this.
tell me.
It not worth it.
Say you and them not related. Me idiot.
Um,
If you even didn't say you
Am
and
I
them, my
idiot
sister
for
would have
true?
believed same way.
Yeah, but me say I'm a niece. I never believe. You never believe.
I know your niece, me
Well-
don't know say you pick me your 2
I
lie.
look how you come on the road in this a tight so like you.
Nobody try pretend to use a father now. You spend on it. Nobody try pretend to be a father now.
Man in the lane.
Don't try pretend be a father now.
What you have
Oh,
in your bag?
dirty dog.
Huh?
What you have in your bag? Where they come from?
No, listen up.
Where they come from?
Hold on, let me talk to you.
Where they come from?
Me and Toga did have a drink.
Every
No,
minute you
sure.
call this damn blasted boy when him Toga mother
You
like
know
to
walk
meet
with
him.
no
So
money.
Toga,
No.
As usual,
money
you know
don't-
walk with no money.
See what left here?
As usual.
See what left here? Money still left, man. Money left.
You better take that for your rent.
Hold on, let me
Take that for your rent.
2 for rent for we house. Him buy the board, me buy the nail, but I'm responsible.
Charge
for
him
the house.
rent so that me
No,
talk
well,
about.
yeah, understand
Don't
that.
touch me the
You
cross
see,
yourself.
rum bar and you buy a 1 drink. It don't work. You buy a second one, it tastes good. When you buy a third one, you pull it in, you buy a 4th and a 5th and a 6th. And then, you know, the bartender, they have a dirty style, they have no jazz.
Jesus
When they climb
Christ.
up on the tall chair, you take big boss and give them.
Lord, them 13-year-old picnic them, you know.
Shut your mouth, because me see you with the
Say you
dolly.
know.
Me see you with the dolly. One night. Me see you with the dolly. Don't tell me nothing. Me see you. Me need to clap you by your nose, you know. But me just bypass it. But if you things that you talk about.
Man, to call me eye. Put on your hand. And what kind of conversation them they are all in front
A
of you?
baby them. You know, them a baby, them legal.
Put down your hand. Put it down.
You should have this.
Put down your hand and turn up straight. You're too out order. And you see you in my house. And they come go on like I say you want to style me.
You do
Show
her
me no
bad.
take you in. And me
do her
take you
bad.
in. And that you do.
Don't put your foot of fish on my face.
And you take money
Take
where
clip.
you did forgive me. Partner money and go give people and breed them.
But see results, at least you get good results. 2 trophies.
Put on your hand. Put on your hand. 2 trophy where you just at this one and say your niece. You're a worthless boy. Dirty rich. You're too worthless man.
But you should have proud of me. Which man don't go
Proud of you with what?
I'm going to spend.
Proud of you with what?
Put on your hand. Put on your
How
hand.
bun
Don't
cheese
keep
and
fighting your
corn bun
face.
we get?
Where? Look at me trophy them. Brown and fruit.
So how many more is there?
You know, say,
How many more accidents is there and hold on in a bush
look
is
here.
there?
Me
That
tell
we
you
don't know
something.
yet.
Here, big up yourself.
Me glad me test
Big up yourself. You close them
myself.
in this way. You care from over
Me
me head.
test myself and
How
I
are
am
you?
all clear.
And everything done.
Where they come from?
Bar.
Bar.
Yeah.
So you know no money left. How much money that? $35 or $45?
$35 can buy 1 bag juice.
When you're thirsty, because the journey where you have to go out now. Cause you're not
Yeah.
sleeping on me yard. You're not sleep over me yard tonight.
Why?
Why? Because you're damn fool and stupid. And you can't keep your private in your pants. You
What
can't
goes
keep your
round
private in your pants.
comes
But
if
around.
you're
And
even
the
there, go do it and go do
witnesses,
something.
God always provide a witness.
But
If you even when you go hide and do something, you're not even use protection.
No, him in danger way. Him in danger
And what
way.
you do already, you can't do again. How much years after me find out, say, when get pick me outside? And you see how much years now we can't find out after?
Why you
You're
so
too
special
wicked,
that
you're
you
too
can't
wicked.
catch disease?
You're too
eh?
wicked.
And pass on
You're
disease.
too wicked, man.
And God
You're
bless
too
me,
wicked.
so
You're
me
too
not catch
wicked.
nothing from you.
You're too wicked. You're too wicked, man. You're too wicked. You don't like your style. Eh?
Alright, let me confess now.
Confess, come on, if you dash your piss pot from morning. Confess. You dash what it me from morning, me left you in a bed asleep. You get up and find yourself a rum bar. If me go over deck and me they watch people dirty clothes from morning, if you give you sitting for yam.
Hey,
With your little hungry belly drunk crow. And me they sorry for you, and me if you do what me they do.
Why?
Eh?
Alright, why me go get them?
Me say if you dash your the piss pot.
No, me did catch in the corner.
Well, hey,
But
you take him back in your house.
why me go cheat?
Awa. Show me not get no front.
This is the time when they did lock shop on me.
Mm.
And I give to the burger man.
Which, no tell no lie for me, you too, look at the chow, you
You
too
can't
lie.
even lie.
No tell no lie for me, which burger?
And you.
Don't bring me into this.
Where you get that story from? Me did all argument
you
on no
know
burger
nothing.
man.
Give the JPS man back to put on back your light. And that's
Which light? The light we did cut off our yard?
Over for your
Over
yard.
50.
Oh,
come
really?
in, most
Oh,
of your money to go
really?
put
Oh,
on
I
the back.
don't know say not pay no light bill.
Okay.
Me good on
Camilo
So,
like
so,
you.
so, do you know that you tell lie for me, but what all burger argument go on which man?
No, listen.
So talk it out now, which burger man you
If you
talk
know
about
the
with me?
truth, if it bites
Liar! Which burger man you talk about? Wicked. Me no give you no front come you find out say you cheat, you're too wicked and lie.
So the
And then when you
lie.
breed me again, kind of like use protection, you dirty
why you give
dog.
me cheap burger that night there?
Three wish burger. And people dirty clothes me wash and you did that dead for hungry. One me did give you your teeth the other two, you too friggin' lie.
Me never teeth you did just in me ear, me just take and eat it. Like you said, see me here, take me. I'm gonna take up your eat here, you say, alright, baby, you eat it, so that's fine.
And you take that back in your
No,
house,
you give me the
Candy.
same way, you never
You did
cuss
think
me.
you
If
have
you
sense,
cuss me about
girl.
it now, but I say, give me it. And you say, yo, and yo. And I right place when you come, you see, she will make you suffer.
Hey, stop tell lie. Stop tell lie about my friend.
Achoo.
I really that you tell it all like up in them?
The amount of tin mackerel over here, they know tin mackerel. they
Him
must
give the
suffer.
two away bun.
So who buy
To
tin
each
mackerel
other.
over there?
And
How
we kick
broke
him
in a
out.
tin mackerel?
She take him back in
Who
her
broke
house
we
out
in a
of
tin mackerel?
kindness. Me
Find
run
yourself,
him.
say me. Make them
Everything
hear.
I'll tell you
Who
about
broke
is
we for them tin
liar.
mackerel? Our rice, our flour. So how you come and chat about them and them things? Okay, so you breed
We are go.
John Crow. So you breed woman out the road. You breed woman out the road. You breed woman out the road and they give them chicken and steaks and fish and
money.
lobster and give wheat in mackerel and rice.
Because when they spend on them, come on, we are go. We carry them home, go
Can-
back to the house.
Carry them which
To
one?
your
Where you-
home
where you
and
go?
your place to
Which one?
carry them.
Which one?
Up there.
Upper roof yard. For me yard?
You want them to bill?
Which part? For me yard, them I go not for you. My yard, not yours. My yard, no borders can't turn up without nail. Move your relative judge.
Election call and you lose your
fire,
seat.
so Jack.
Election call and you lose your seat. Run, dirty
Idiot.
dog, run.
You too. You too. You too.
Watch him. Run! God always provides witness. That's a 4.
Yes.
We're now gonna take long to
Yes,
get
man,
to
make him
10.
beat them till police lock up them backside. You know, alright. Watch him
dirty
now, yo.
dog.
Wait till me come home tonight.
What
so
if
go
we
down the
never
road.
sit there and catch breeze?
You hear me tell lie for me about burger and
You
chicken?
know,
Can I try to take out
everything
himself?
and him can't even lie.
You never
good.
see one man so wicked that him and this one him own a pick me and say he
You see me,
needs them.
you see me a laugh. You see me a laugh.
And
Me
feed wheat
done.
and tin mackerel and go breed woman and give them salt.
Me
where
done.
you
Me
want
done
call it.
with
Come
that
on.
long
Watch
time.
me out till me come up. Wait till I
Me
come up
never
later.
gonna even take revenge. Me
Dirty
done.
dog.